Recent explosive incidents in Lebanon involving pagers and radio devices have resulted in at least 37 deaths and thousands of injuries, with Hezbollah blaming Israel for the attacks. Investigations reveal that the devices were likely rigged with explosives before reaching Hezbollah, rather than being hacked after purchase. The Taiwanese company Gold Apollo, which produced the pagers, has denied involvement, pointing to a Hungarian intermediary, Back Consulting, which is suspected to be a front for Israeli intelligence operations. The radio devices, some of which were counterfeit models from ICOM, also exploded, reportedly triggered by electronic messages sent to them, causing widespread panic in Lebanon as citizens fear that other electronic devices may also be compromised. The timing of the attacks is speculated to be linked to escalating tensions between Israel and Hezbollah,